The highly anticipated iPhone SE 4 was expected to be Apple's next budget-friendly smartphone, but instead of launching it, Apple made a surprising move, canceling it entirely. Instead, the company introduced the iPhone 16e, leaving many disappointed after months of speculation surrounding the SE 4. Now, let's take a look at what the iPhone 16e brings to the table and whether it's worth buying. Also, will Apple ever launch the iPhone SE 4 in the future? Or has it been completely scrapped? We will discuss this all. But before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for the latest tech updates. Your support means a lot to us. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. So, many fans were hoping for an affordable alternative to the expensive iPhone 16, with the iPhone SE 4 expected to deliver a balance of performance and cost-effectiveness. However, Apple seems to have put an end to its compact and budget-friendly lineup, marking the disappearance of the last small-screen iPhone. The company's strategy remains clear: only the strongest survive in its ecosystem. But then there is still hope that Apple will definitely release the iPhone SE 4 sometime in the future. The iPhone SE series was introduced to offer a compact design, Touch ID, and the latest chipset at an affordable price. However, the newly launched iPhone 16e goes against everything the SE lineup originally stood for, making it a completely different offering. Interestingly, the iPhone 16e packs the very features many expected in the SE 4. It comes with the powerful A18 chip, 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and support for Apple Intelligence. This seems to mark the beginning of a new lineup aimed at users who can't afford flagship models but are willing to pay a price higher than $450. We will dive even deeper into the iPhone SE 4 future in our upcoming videos, so do not forget to subscribe, my friend, otherwise you will miss the updates. Now, you might be wondering what the iPhone 16e offers and what it lacks. So it comes equipped with the latest A18 chipset, a 48-megapixel fusion camera, an OLED display, and the C15G modem, making it a capable device on paper. However, it misses out on several key features that users have come to expect. Unlike other models, the iPhone 16e lacks MagSafe, an ultra-wide camera, and UWB support for tracking AirTags and AirPods. It also does not include Dynamic Island. It only has a 4-core GPU version. No advanced display features like 1 nit minimum brightness and high outdoor brightness beyond 800 nits. Additionally, it skips sensor shift OIS, the new generation portrait mode, the Thread chip, and support for Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7. While the iPhone 16e does introduce some upgrades, these omissions make it feel like a scaled-down version rather than a true successor to the SE lineup. The iPhone 16e comes at a price that many users may not find justifiable for what it offers. While the SE 4 was rumored to launch at $499, the iPhone 16e carries a significantly higher price tag of $599. For context, the previous iPhone SE 3 was priced at just $429, making this price hike even more noticeable and unreasonable. What's your take on the price of the iPhone 16e? Feel free to share in the comments below. Additionally, Apple has positioned the iPhone 16e as its most affordable option, but calling it budget-friendly might be a stretch. The standard iPhone 16 is just a step ahead at $799, making the price difference between the two not as big as many had hoped. That said, for those eager to experience Apple Intelligence without spending on the flagship models, the iPhone 16e is now the entry point. But Apple Intelligence doesn't feel all that intelligent yet, as it's still incomplete and lags far behind what Samsung Galaxy AI offers. It's safe to say that Apple is way behind in the AI race for now. In conclusion, this move reinforces Apple's strategy, keeping prices premium while maintaining its reputation for quality. The company thrives on hype and anticipation, but when it comes to affordability, it's clear that Apple remains committed to its high-end positioning. So Apple has nothing for those who can't spend more than $500 in its latest iPhone lineup. What are your thoughts about the newly launched iPhone 16e? Do you think it's worth $600? Will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.